Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the world of bifacial solar panels. These are not your average solar panels. They're designed to capture sunlight from both sides. Pretty cool, right? So, how do bifacial solar panels work? It's simple. Unlike traditional panels that only absorb sunlight from the front, bifacial panels have a transparent back sheet, allowing sunlight to pass through and hit the cells on the rear side. This means they can harness light reflected off the ground or nearby surfaces, boosting their efficiency. Essentially, they're maximizing every bit of sunlight available. Now let's talk about the advantages. First up, increased energy production. By capturing sunlight from both sides, bifacial panels can generate up to 30% more energy than traditional panels. That's a significant boost. Another big plus is their durability. These panels are typically built with a glass layer on both sides, making them more robust and resistant to environmental damage. Think hail, sand, snow, you name it, they can take a beating and keep on charging. Where can you mount these panels? Well, they're pretty versatile. Bifacial panels work great on rooftops, ground-mounted systems, and even vertical installations. They're particularly effective in areas with a high albedo, which is just a fancy word for reflectivity. White roofs, snow-covered ground, or even gravel can reflect sunlight upwards, giving these panels more to work with. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some drawbacks to consider. For one, bifacial panels are usually more expensive upfront compared to traditional panels. That higher initial cost can be a barrier for some. Additionally, their efficiency heavily depends on the installation environment. If the surface below doesn't reflect much light, the rear side won't contribute as effectively. So, placement is key. Lastly, while they're more durable, they're also heavier and can be more challenging to install. This might mean higher installation costs and the need for more robust mounting structures. So, there you have it, the ins and outs of bifacial solar panels. They're a powerhouse option for those looking to maximize energy production, but they come with their own set of challenges. Weigh the pros and cons and see if they're the right fit for your setup. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.